Can you transfer money from Shopify to Cash App? Today we are going to find out if you can transfer your money from Shopify to Cash App. Now let me tell you one thing before we begin. You cannot directly store money to Shopify. In order to store money, you set up some sort of bank account, and after that, someone pays you using those services, and you're directly paid to your bank account. So you can do the Cash App setup. So how can you do that? So for that, you have to be at the Shopify dashboard. Here you simply have to search for payments. After searching for payments, you have to click on this manual payment methods. Now it will open up a new page. Now here, as you guys can see, and in the payments, you just have to scroll down until you see this option, and here you have to click on add payment method. Now here you have to click on search by provider, and here you have to search for Cash App. Now currently in my region, the Cash App is not available, and I don't know if it is also available in your region or not, and I don't know if it is actually available right here. But you can try that. If you are able to add Cash App, it means you can use Cash App, but I don't think you can. So this is what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.